With a range of styles and finishes, there's a cooker for every kitchen. The Flex has a pull-out hose, increasing the reach and adding functionality. This style comes with boiling, hot and cold water as standard and is available in polished chrome, stainless steel and black. The Fusion also offers regular hot and cold and 100 degrees boiling water. It's available in round or square and can rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to fill pans next to the sink. Both the round and square Fusion are available in polished chrome, stainless steel, black, patinated brass and gold. The Nordic range features a single boiling tap, which can be used in conjunction with a matching mixer tap when purchasing the Nordic twin taps. Not only can the Nordic rotate 360 degrees, the spout can also be moved up and down to accommodate your every kitchen need. The Nordic range is available in both square and round and comes in a polished chrome or stainless steel finish. The Nordic single taps also come in the classic style, perfect for a shaker kitchen, which is available in polished chrome, stainless steel and nickel and round or square.